specifically Step 2, Part 2. You use this if you want the option to convert the current resident ICD9 codes to ICD10, but they're specific for each resident, where this, Step 2, Part 1, located here, is all of the diagnoses that need to be converted. This is for each specific resident. Now if you go over to the right, you have these different YouTube buttons. Simply click on any of these, and it will take you to the corresponding step. So for example, if I click on this, it would bring me to the Step 3 video. You are already on the Step 2 Part 2 video of the YouTube videos, and if you need any more, just simply click here. As you can see, you have 36 current residents that have ICD9 diagnoses that need to be converted, so again, simply click on this rectangular box, and it will bring you to this screen. It will bring up a resident that has already been chosen for me, and you will have the ICD9 codes that have already been converted, as you can see, ICD9 to ICD10. Very, very simple. The one with the asterisks right here, or with these little stars, you can edit. So if I click on this, I can input different information into here. Very simple. Only with the asterisks. These other ones are one-to-one. So if I click on here, nothing will happen. You have the ICD9 codes over here, which I've already said. Then you have the ICD9 description, ICD10 codes, and the ICD10 description. Now here are the different ICD10s, or the ICD9s to ICD10s that you need to correct. Over to the right, you have this condensed view. As you can see, there are 4 for this specific resident, and then the uncondensed view. I prefer not to use the condensed view. It's much simpler. I'll be going over both of them. First off, the condensed view, you simply click right here on the ICD10 code, and it will bring you to here. You can choose the appropriate option. And if I were to put that inside of here, and then I could, now for the uncondensed view, I can simply just choose it right here. So I can just click here, or here, and it will just simply out. It's just a much faster way to do it. So for this one, as you can see, and just input it into here. Very, very simple. Next, degenerative joint disease. Simply click there, and it does it for me. And then memory loss. I can just simply click onto there. When I'm done, I can either click done, or I can move on to a different unconverted resident. So if I click on this, I can see all the different residents that I need to be converted. So for this one, I would go to this new resident. Same thing as before, but you need to fix this again. So if I click on this, any of these, I'll just be choosing a random one, and go back to unconverted resident. He is not there anymore. If I were to go back to this specific person, I could change this. As you can see, I'm just choosing a random one, and as you can see, he is not there anymore. Once you're done, simply click done, and it'll bring you back to this screen. As you can see, instead of 36, we now have 33 current residents that have ICD9 diagnoses that need to be converted. And that is all for this video.